Good morning. Welcome to Ali's Taste of Life. I hope you're having a lovely morning and you'll have a lovely day too. You know why? Because you're still smiling. Smiling is a beautiful exercise that helps you to soothe your mind, express your deep and inner beauty, and in the same time sharing it with others that trigger a smile. So keep smiling and enjoy this beautiful day. It's so sunny, it's so nice. Oh my God, I can't believe I am in late autumn and I am in short sleeve. That's just how beautiful it is in southern Spain. If you're thinking of coming to Spain, you should. You should. It's a beautiful place to live. Take a look at the scenery. The beautiful island of Hercules. That's my church. Oh, the church in Sancti Petri. Oh, it's so nice when I come here to Sancti Petri to visit this church. It's so sweet. Oh, it's just little, humble. It's not like the typical church that you expect in Europe. It's like a church on an island. See you inside. I love to come to church here because it's so small, it's so nice, and I don't know, it's right by the sea, so that's beautiful. To be honest, I love the service more in the center of the city of my original church, but this church is just so beautiful. But I'll show you a peek of this sermon, and you can say whether you like it or not, or what do you think, but I don't know, I just love Sunday to spend this time and feel the presence of the Lord. I love that. I just
Hoy estamos con un color blanco, un color porque hoy es una fiesta especial. Hoy hemos dicho al principio que hoy celebramos la fiesta de Jesucristo, Rey del Universo. Por eso es el color blanco, el color de fiesta, de más fiesta, digamos, de solemnidad, un color de alegría. Es la fiesta de Jesucristo, Rey del Universo. ¿Vosotros habéis visto alguna vez un rey? ¿No habéis visto nunca? Ni en la televisión siquiera.
Que siempre va vestido más elegante.
Se distingue así, el rey lleva la corona, vestido elegante. ¿Qué más te lleva el rey? Entonces,
Esclavos.
que tiene esclavos además. Ese es el ¿Cómo es la corona que lleva Jesucristo?
La corona de espinas.
Jesucristo lleva una corona de espinas. ¿Puede ser un rey que tenga corona de espinas? ¿Sí o no?
Well, it's a great ceremony. And now you say it did the work, speak of the Lord, and that's what's important. What a lovely morning. What's your plan for today? You don't have to tell me. It's gonna be great. Enjoy it. Mwah. Have a nice day. And thanks for watching Ali's Taste of Life. It's just a little taste.